Hello everyone, this is me Akansha Tiwari, and in this video we are going to talk about everything that you need to know about the new COVID-19 strain in UK. Now, the first question arises in our minds. What is it and do we really need to worry about it? So, the answer is the new coronavirus strain found in UK is more catching as compared to the existing virus. Rumors spread about the new strain being out of control. However, WHO has announced that it is controllable and can be prevented with precautionary measures. Now, the question arises, is this mutant variant more deadly? The new variant spread more rapidly than the old one due to its mutant nature. There is no proof yet as to the fatalness of the new strain, but the mutation might affect its rate of transmission. As a response, lockdown have been imposed to prevent the spread of the virus. Moving further, is the new variant rare as compared to the old one? The new variant spread quickly 70% more than the previous one. Hence, it is not rare. It has been causing over 60% infection in London, which is why strict measures have been taken in Britain to prevent the spread of the virus. What will be the impact of new strain on the vaccination? As of now, there have not been any evidences with respect to the reaction of the strain to the vaccine available. Vaccination might or might not be able to protect people against the strain. Researches are still going on and better clarity will be there soon. How is the world responding to this? Many countries have been taking precaution to avoid bringing the new strain in their nation. India has announced a temporary halt on the flights originating from UK. France, Germany, Poland, Sweden, Italy, Israel have also suspended flights from UK. Has the new virus already made its way to India? Yes. A total of 25 people who returned to India from UK has been tested positive for the more infectious virus. The Health Ministry has advised people not to panic and stay calm while following all the safety norms. Many studies are being conducted for the same. Let's see what the countries and their respective citizens do to fight this new cousin of the year-old COVID-19 virus.